Hello everyone, welcome to the next module. In this module, we will learn how to create a 3D part in Catia using different 3D modeling commands. So let's get started. Go to Start, Part Design, OK, select Plane, Sketch. First, draw some 2D sketch. You can rotate the sketch by pressing and holding mouse scroll button and right button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and drag the mouse to rotate. Select part 1, select sketch, then select the plane on which you was working. This will make the sketch to its original position. Now we will see how to convert a 2D sketch into a 3D model. So for that you need to exit workbench from here. So here we are in a 3D workbench. This is the sketch based feature toolbar. We will use different commands of this toolbar to create a 3D part. The first command is pad. Select pad command. The pad command is used to add a material to the selected sketch. There is no selection. First, select the sketch you want to pad. This will add a material to the selected sketch in vertical direction. In type, you can see the different option that we will learn in upcoming lectures. First, select dimension. You can increase or decrease length from here. Give length of 50 mm and click on preview. To see the preview of the part, this will create a 3D part of 50 mm length in upward direction. What if we also want 50 mm length in opposite direction? For that you need to check mirrored extent option. This will create a 50 mm length in opposite direction. See the preview. So this is our 3D part. Uncheck mirror option. Now what if we want a 50 mm in this direction and 100 mm in this direction? For that, click on more. Now you can also give length in second direction. Give 100 mm length in second direction. Click on preview. Okay, so this is our final model. We can select the whole part from the design tree. You can see that the part is highlighted when we select this part option. Click on drop down. So this is the sketch from which we made this 3D part. If imagine somehow you made a mistake during sketching and now you want to edit the sketch. For that, just double click on this sketch and your sketch will open. Now you can edit your sketch very easily. Give length of 50 mm. 50 mm. Now click on exit workbench option. Now you can see that our 3D model is changed according to our sketch. Now double click on pad option to edit pad feature. Change the second direction length to 50 mm and first length to 20 mm. OK. So in this way you can change the 3D feature of the model. Again double click on pad. Now select this thick option. Give thickness 1 as 6 mm. See the preview. Now you can see that the thick option is used to remove the material from the 3D profile. The thickness of this area is 6 mm. Now give thickness 2 as 6 mm. OK. Now you can see that it created a thickness of 6 mm in inner direction and thickness of 6 mm in outer direction. OK. So this was the basic intro of pad command in Catia.